Okay, okay. Please send me. Hello everyone. My name is Chandan Singh. Welcome to my blog channel. Guys, as you know that I upload a video daily on my blog channel. Doesn't matter I have any content or not. Well, today it is 31st December 2021. Though I don't have any content yet, I'm going to make a blog. So if I talk about today, I got up around 7 o'clock in the morning. It has become my daily routine. Mostly I get up around 7 o'clock. और क्या हाल है ठीक चलिए so okay Manish bye. Okay, so after getting up I got fresh and then I had healthy breakfast. Healthy breakfast means I had uttapam. It was cut in the shape of pizza so that it can look attractive. So it is uttapam, very healthy breakfast. After that I had a cup of tea and then I was given a particular list by my wife to go to market to buy some stuffs. So now I'm heading towards the market. So I have to go to various shops for different items. So whatever I do, I will try to shoot the video clippings so that I can make a good vlog, guys. So stay connected. Thank you, guys. So guys, I'm going to show you the list which contains the items that I have to bring. As you can see, washing powder, milk, tomatoes, green vegetables, salads, hair oil, vitamin C, oranges, weight machine battery and a piece of hanky. So these are the things I have to purchase from market. So for these things I will have to go to various shops, guys. So let's go. So guys, first I have come to a shop to buy a battery of weight machine. So let me ask the shopkeeper. ये बड़ी वाली बैटरी होगी चौड़ी वाली जो. So guys, this is the battery which I require. So I will use it in my weight machine, and it is used in computer also, laptop also. This is the CMOS setup battery. ठीक है, कितना देना है इसका?
50 for one piece.
50 rupees. Okay, so I have to pay 50 rupees, guys, for one piece. So guys, I don't have change. I have 500 rupee note. So I'm going to give to the shopkeeper and he is going to give me change. See the watch shop. Thank you sir, thank you. Okay. So guys, you can see that I have got 450 rupees. Now I have to go to another shop. So this is what I have to do, guys. Until I purchase all the things, I have to go shop to shop, one shop to another shop and buy the stuffs. So it was the first shop I came, I bought the stuff. The first product has been bought and that is the weight machine battery. I don't know whether it will work or not, because if it doesn't work, I might think that weight machine is not working, because batteries are always good. Whenever I buy from here, batteries are always good. So let's see. Now let's go to another shop, guys. Okay. So guys, now I have to go to any chemist shop to buy my hair oil. The thing is that I forgot the name of the hair oil, so I'm going to make a call to my wife to know the name, or I might get any photo of that hair oil so I can show to the shopkeeper. So I'm just going to give a call. So today I'm just recording every moment, whatever I'm doing. So let me give a call. Hello.
Yes.
Could you please send me the photo of that hair oil? I forgot the name of the hair oil. That would be in the fridge, the bottle.
Okay.
Okay, just
The doctor gave you. That one.
Yes. Doctor had suggested me that. I don't know. The name is hair fall, or I forgot the name actually. So
Yes, that is I think check fall.
check fall.
I'm sending you the picture. You can show the shopkeeper.
Okay. Please send me. Okay, thank you. Fine, guys. So you must have heard it. I made a call to my wife. I asked her to send me the picture. Though she has already told me the name, she said check fall or something. However, I would like to see the picture so that I can show the picture to the chemist in order to get the exact product. So let's go to the shop first. Meanwhile, she will send me the picture of that bottle. So see you at the shop, guys. Thank you. So now, guys, I have come to a chemist. So here I am going to ask whether that hair oil is available or not. So I can show you through the back camera. So this is the chemist. This is the market. Now I am going to ask. I don't know camera is allowed or not inside. Some people have objections. They say camera is not allowed. So let's see. So this is the product. ये होगा क्या भैया? ये वाला? हाँ. ये एक दे दीजिए.
चेक फॉल आ रहा है देखिए पहले चेक फॉल आ रहा है बेटा
Check for.
चेक फॉल आ रहा है ऊपर खाने में
लगाना सब छोटा है तो
देखिए एक तरह के नहीं तो नहीं है छोटा नहीं है बड़े आए तो फिर शीशे बदल गए और उसके दे बड़े जिसकी एक तरह की दे देते हैं
लेना भैया. So guys, I did not get the check fall. I got this is instead of that mini oxidil topical solution here for you. It is also going to work for the same purpose, so I think I must go for it. And the price mentioned here is 736. भैया कुछ discount मिलेगा इस पे? 700. She's asked me to give 700 rupees, so I'm going to buy this. Hi guys, so after buying my hair oil, now the turn is to buy some salads and some fruit. So I've come to a fruit cart. As you can see, the fruit cart is here in front of me, and I'm going to buy only 2 fruits. You can see this. So you would be thinking this is orange, but this is not orange. This is called kinnu. Okay, it's not orange. So I'm going to buy this. He said that it is 50 rupees kg. कैसे लगाया भैया ये? कम हो जाएगा भाई? अगर 2 आइटम ले तो? When I asked him for some discount, he said no. No matter how much you take, but there is no discount. Being an Indian, it is my moral duty to bargain, ask for some discount. If I get, that's my luck. If I don't get, it's okay. So I'm going to take 1 kg this kinnu, and I will take some guavas also. Okay. ये अमरूद कैसे बताया? 50. So this guava is also 50 rupees per kg. So here we go. So I'm going to choose. So first when I saw this, I also got confused. I thought it is orange, but it is not. It is called kinnu. But doesn't matter. It also has vitamin C. The same thing is available in kinnu and orange. So I'm going to take this. So after buying, I'll talk to you guys. Stay connected. So guys, I have bought 1 kg this kinnu and 1 kg guava. Now I'm going to buy some salad items. So now guys, I'm going to take some salad items. So I would like to go to the same shop. You remember earlier there was a guy who was speaking in English with me. I think this guy is just sitting right here. हाँ बेटा ठीक ठाक तू फेमस हो गया बेटा यूट्यूब पर फाइन 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 ये पूरी दुकान यूट्यूब पर फेमस है अच्छा so now I have to take some salad item guys so I am going to take some tomatoes then I will go for some cucumber और वो लेटस है ना वो ख़त्म हो गया है ना okay I'll go for some lettuce then some gooseberry and some carrot item and some broccoli too I require that's my favorite okay
एंड 1 किलो गाजर 4 4 8 8 है 14 14 4 18 80 प्लस 50 ये कितना भाई 230
so 230 I have to pay
डिस्काउंट कर देंगे 200 कर दीजिएगा
okay
100 रुपीस डिस्काउंट
okay so this guy always gives me discount and I am making it famous all the time on YouTube buddy. Fine guys so I've taken all the items as you can see now I'm going to pay him after that I have to buy some other stuff then I'll go back to home and I'll see you there stay connected thank you so guys now this is the last shop where I have come so I have bought rest of the items as you can see my milk and other stuffs whatever was mentioned on the list I have taken and now I'm going back to my home so reaching home I'll talk to you guys so thank you very much for watching this video stay connected guys thank you so guys I have come back to my home Akshat what are you doing
I'm playing with my fidget spinner.
spinner you like it superb you're able to do it aren't you
This toy is like we have to hold it with our middle finger without using all the fingers. If you hold it like this, it will be easy to hold. I'm doing it with a one finger hold. So show it on my finger and spinner.
okay go ahead
I'm gonna do it with one finger.
isn't it amazing
I can balance it.
okay
Now you try.
I can also try but I just have to end the video so guys I was saying that I have come back to my home and I can show you all the stuffs whatever the list I had look at here whatever the list I had I have bought all the items whether it is my hair oil the medicine all the salad item fruits or milk everything is right here so this is all about this video guys so thank you very much for watching and you want to say something
You also try it.
okay but what about that subscribe and all
Subscribe the video and like and press the bell icon and comment which more videos would you like.
anyways guys thank you very much so see you in another episode thank you guys bye bye